back to the channel. It's me, Colin the Gamer. Today we'll be playing Build a Boat. And please get subscribed so it can become popular. Season video now. Let's get started. This is the person I'm spying on, so I can launch. And once they choose to launch the boat, they can launch the boat. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. I'm gonna see what he does. I'm gonna get out when he chats. He's gonna delete the chair, right? He's gonna delete the chair. I'm floating like magic in the sky. I'm floating like magic in the sky. No, I'm not. Is it crazy? Actually, I'm just gonna respawn. We'll be doing try to do much level as possible. And the most levels we do, and not giving up until I make it. First, a block of titanium. Titanium. 55. So we're gonna do 57. So we're gonna do a 5 times 10. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is a 5 by 5. Now it's time to fill them up. Now we're here. Yeah, 9 by 9. 8 by 8. 7 6 by 6. Okay. We'll be adding decor. Okay, I'm gonna make my keys. This is my well-deserved throne. This is the International CTG throne. And now, let's level 1. This is level 1. Wait. Can I do that? That thing drops. I can't steer, but I can't steer. Next time I can make myself steer. But I'm gonna see if this makes it. At least I can move here. Barely touched it. Okay, that's her boat right there. This is my boat. Has 4 things for my team number. Number green, but it's red. And it'll be perfect to wear team red. And now I have a red carpet back here. Now we're gonna try to dodge it. It still affects the block. So please don't hit that. Okay, and we hit 2 things, and now we're gonna hit 1 more thing. Okay, 0 more things. 3. Okay. 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 No blocks was destroyed. And we're at the 2 sections. So this is very good. So far I heard something, but no blocks got destroyed. If I'm gonna think that my first block hopefully does not get destroyed, but it probably is. And so we're halfway there and it's not. And it's gonna knock down. My first block has been knocked down. There's a corner which is very bad. That means one of the flags is down too. There's a bowling course, which that means I can just randomly spawn a bowling ball here. My goal is to dodge all these bowling balls. Let me do. I destroyed my chair. This is going against me. This is going against me. This is going against me. I made it to the palm trees, right? Or the bowling pin. Did it count the palm trees? It counted the palm trees! Level 2. Level 2. This time, this could be the most powerful boat. How? Because I am steering it. Okay. That was a test, and now this is level 2. This is so simple. Why can I not just do this? I'm gonna see level 1. It doesn't have to be strong. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Go through that. Whee! Wow, 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 whoa! Okay. Yeah. Gonna go in between. Go. Yes! Okay. Go should have passed the palm trees. Okay. The stream was great. Made us go through without hitting a block. This is the one that first destroyed it. The bowling pins are the worst. I swear. At least the creatures, the bowling balls. I swear. Miss the bowling pins. Miss it. We officially made it to the palm trees. There's landmines in here. Run away. stop. Steer this way. We made it through. We made it. I don't know about that. Made it through. 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 Oh my god, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, now we're here. Does it affect me? Yes, a lot. The goal should go through. You can't go in between those. Yes, yes, yes! Yes! I at least made it to the dice. I made it to the dice. We got 64 gold that time. Sheesh, that's a lot of gold. Let me see. I'm saving for legendary. Okay, now. Next is this. A room This is a room of 9. Then we're gonna do that. You do a height of 9. I'm gonna jump up. Okay. I'm gonna try to. Okay. It's time. It's time for. Oh, it's 4th. So we have. Okay, we got this. Okay. I'm starting to see it's gonna fit. 1, 2. Okay. And plus, I'm gonna steer too. Go out of POV. Launch! Come on! Okay, we're trying to make something a little by the side. What was that? Okay, this is gonna be the last delivery, even though I make it not because of this time. Hey, I'm crossing it. I'm trying to go. Yes, I didn't make it. Yes, I dodged it. Bully, no! This is the worst one, as you saw. At least I can steal out of my way on this. Please don't release. I'm praying. And made me go sideways. Now I can't steal. That's horrible. That he's just still right. How did one thing get painted red? Behind and unforward. What? He flew me! I died. Well, please like and subscribe so you can become a popular YouTuber and see us in the next video. And I gained 40 from that one. So my best one was level 2. And see us in the next video. Boop.